Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for trading, staking, or just better security, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase. You'll also need some XRP in your Bitrue wallet and the exact XRP address from your Coinbase account handy. Double check it to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select XRP from your list of holdings. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually easy to find. Here, you'll enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, choose XRP as the asset. Now, paste your Coinbase XRP wallet address into the designated field. Remember, XRP uses the XRP ledger network, so ensure that's selected to avoid any transaction errors. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees, as they can vary. Step 3. Review everything carefully. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm or Withdraw button. You'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, head over to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet, select XRP, and you should see your funds there. Pro tip. Always keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like XRP Scan to track your transfer in real time. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check details to prevent losses. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or additional fees on Bitrue. That's it for today's guide. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.